Hi guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can align your text on the left hand side or the right hand side in your Microsoft Word. So some people do that they can place the cursor before the text and they can press the tab to align this text on the right hand side or the left hand side, and they can also use the space key to align the text. So I will show you the smart method to do that. So first you can go to the view and just check this box of the ruler, and now the ruler will appear, and you can use this to place the text or align the text. So you can go to the home, and now you will see your paragraph, and I just click on this arrow icon, down arrow icon you are seeing, and now you can just place the cursor before the text and click on the arrow icon, click on the tabs, and now here you can give the value which is the 6.5 in the tab stop position. So when you give its value, click on the right, and you can also select the center or left to align the text. You will see it is the alignment option, and then click on the OK. So if this method does not work for you and you don't see the aligned text, then you can try the next solution. You can place the cursor before the text and you can select this ruler and just move this text to the left and right, and now you will see this text is aligned on the left hand side or the right hand side. You can also do that. You can also do this for the any text, and if this video is helpful for you, so please like it and also do subscribe to our channel. And if any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.